Hi! In this video, I'm going to share my 3 favorite VPNs for the Fire TV Stick. I've been using a Fire TV Stick for quite a while now, and I've tested many VPNs along the way, first for privacy and security, and later to improve streaming performance and unlock more content. So everything you'll hear here is based on real-world usage and experience. Quick note, all the VPNs in this list are trusted VPNs with strict no-log policies, excellent speeds, large server networks, and money-back guarantees, so you can try them risk-free. I'll show you everything on PC because it's easier for me, but these VPNs work perfectly on Fire TV Stick. And yes, using a VPN on your Fire TV Stick can make a huge difference. It enhances your privacy, prevents ISP throttling, reduces buffering, and helps you access more content. Alright, let's get into it. For me, the best VPN for Fire TV Stick is ExpressVPN. It's very fast, stable, and has thousands of servers across 105 countries. This is particularly important for a streaming device like the Fire TV Stick, where speed and stability directly impact video quality. You can use it on multiple devices simultaneously, and there are no bandwidth limits, which is perfect for heavy streaming. From a security perspective, it's top tier, strong encryption, DNS leak protection, and a strict no-log policy that has been independently audited. The Fire TV Stick app is also incredibly simple. You just install it from the Amazon App Store, open it, choose a location, and connect. Server location can matter a lot. If a stream is slow or service is unavailable, switching to another region often fixes the issue instantly. Overall, ExpressVPN is the one I trust the most for smooth, buffer-free streaming on Fire TV Stick. To try it, go to vpn-club.com/express or click the link under the video. Next up, NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most well-known VPN services in the world, with a massive network of servers worldwide. Like ExpressVPN, you get unlimited bandwidth and excellent speeds, which are crucial for streaming on Fire TV Stick. It's also very secure with strong encryption and an audited no-log policy. The interface is beginner-friendly, and the Fire TV Stick app is easy to navigate using the remote. NordVPN is a great choice if you want something fast, reliable, and budget-friendly while still being powerful enough for streaming and unblocking content. To try it, go to vpn-club.com/nord or use the link below. Third pick, Proton VPN. Proton VPN has built a strong reputation for both privacy and performance. It offers a large server network and excellent speeds, making it a great option for Fire TV Stick users. As with the others, you get strong security features, unlimited bandwidth, and a clean, easy-to-use app. If privacy is your main concern, but you still want solid streaming performance, Proton VPN is an excellent option. To try it, go to vpn-club.com/proton or click the link under the video. Quick honorable mention to Surfshark, which is also a very solid VPN for Fire TV Stick. It's fast, easy to use, and allows unlimited device connections, which is great for households with many devices. To try it, go to vpn-club.com/surf or click the link below. No matter which VPN you choose, you're safe because they all offer money-back guarantees, so if you're not happy, you can simply get a refund. That's it for today. Now you know my top VPNs for Fire TV Stick. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you next time.